my name's Mary Zupke. I'm a dietitian with Northwestern Medicine, and today we're here at Living Well with episode 17 of Quick Bites. We have a lot of yummy recipes today related to zucchini. So the first one is zucchini boats. We're using some food for vessels today. So I think that we can be a little bit creative in our picnics and use food as the bowl or the dish. So we're going to do that today. This recipe usually calls for turkey sausage. We just found the chicken sausage today. So this one actually has sweet apple, which makes a great appetizer if you roast this in small chunks with red grapes just for 10 minutes in the under the broiler. It's delicious. So today we're going to use that. We've got some peppers, and I like to use multicolors. Look how beautiful they are. We use the red, the yellow, and the orange. So we're gonna dump those in, and then we have cut up the chicken sausage really small, and we're gonna dump that in. And then we have our onions and our garlic. So we're gonna add those in, and we're gonna saute those. And once we saute them, we are going to put them in these zucchini boats. So the zucchini we score and then scoop out the center of the zucchini, and then we bake it for about 25 minutes, and that makes it nice and soft. And then what we do is we take this sauteed filling and add it right to our zucchini boats. So you can see here, this is the completed version of the zucchini boats. And then we just top it with some provolone and some fresh parsley chopped up. Food is beautiful, so I love all the colors in that. So that's our zucchini boat recipe. And now we're gonna go on to our chicken stir fry. And what I've done here is we've sauteed some chicken and some onions, and then we used our zucchini here, all chopped up, and you're gonna use a teriyaki sauce. So we're gonna marinate the chicken ahead. It says 20 minutes, but you can do it overnight if you want, 6 to 8 hours, that's fine too. So we're gonna saute that up here, and then it's gonna get that beautiful green color. Zucchini does have about 40% of the vitamin A that we need in a day, so that really helps with your night vision. It's full of the anti-inflammatory qualities, and it is high in antioxidants. So zucchini is an easy summer vegetable to use, and I hope you'll be able to try some of these recipes. So all the recipes are online on the Living Well website, so just check that out for the recipes. So what we're gonna do now is we have cut this pineapple in half, and what a beautiful presentation. Once we do that, we scoop out the insides, and then we're gonna add our pineapple to the chicken stir fry from that center of the one that we cut in half. We're gonna warm that up just briefly. And then we added a little bit of brown rice. So brown rice can have 3 to 5 grams of fiber per serving. Men and women need 25 to 35 grams a day. So this will be helpful to get you on your way. And then we're gonna add that chicken stir fry right to the pineapple. And what a nice way to use this at a picnic. To garnish it, we're gonna take a few of our green onions, and then we toasted some blanched almonds, so we're gonna put those right on top. So that's what we have today for our zucchini recipe demo. I hope you'll enjoy it and try a couple of our new recipes. All right, I hope you have a great day. Thanks for joining me.